This
Guys,
conference will now be recorded.
can you
Vinkushan
hear
sir.
me? Okay. Silent la unte mummy laga. Okay, so let's go to last two topics: external style adding and media queries in Salesforce. Right? Create a component. G26th. Create an app. Force SLDS. Okay. So let's see here. The other component, what we are going to, as of now, we have added different styles, right? Div, second para. Okay. So now let's create classes over here. Let's create classes. Main container. Just dummy class names. Okay. Now we need to add CSS styles for this one. How to add? Let's go to your style file in that bundle and let's go here and you can add. Right. Let's for main container. If I want to add the, I want to display. So color. So main container. So C class. So has a, there is no parent for main container class, div class. Okay, there is no parent. Only Ara component is a parent. So now in this situation, I want to give like a background pink. Font. By default style I am just giving. Okay. Font size 16 pixel. Okay. So let's do this. Go and so refresh it. Clear. So this is div. Okay, for a div I have added simply, and for extra para and in the div, right, again span is there. So for this span I want to give some other style. So how to give? Dot this and dot span. Let's check. No, dot this div. Okay, div has a class, right? So here in this situation we can give like this: parent, and next so span, right? Span dot sp1. Even you can give like this also. Either you give like this, your wish. Span dot. Okay, so for this span I want to give only span. So first span, where is this one? Break, give break, then you can easily understand that one. Okay, this is the first span, right? From here to here, I want to display with the different styles. Let's display it. So let's go and refresh it. And green is not applied. This is the first span, right? So green is not applied. Oh, div is a main one, right? So you should do like this. So there is no parent on top of div, so you should do like this. So now the style is applied, right? This is the first span. Okay, so style is applied. In font style also, if you want italic, you can put it. Okay, that's it. So it will override the stand. So see, high level, top level styles we are overriding in a lower level like this. Like OWD permissions we are overriding with profile, those are overriding with like that, right? Same way here also. Now this style and I want to apply with help of external. Okay, mute yourself guys, some disturbance is there. Okay, how to apply? So for that one, what are the things you need to do is let's create a step one, create an external CSS file. Second, upload into SalesForce in static resource object, fetch from there to code. Only things. Create an external CSS file in your local system or laptop. That's it. Okay. So you can create an external CSS file in your local system or laptop or upload into Salesforce in static resource object, fetch from there. Okay, that's what you need to do, right? So let's go and create in our local system. Let's go here and create that CSS style. How to create? So copy it and do it. But the thing is, this should not be there. Remember that thing here. Okay. Simply I have created. What is this one deal me? Class selector. Selector type is what? Class selector and background. This is what? Class selector. So parent and child. And save it. 1 second.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let's see here. So we can store anywhere, guys. Not only here. Where is the CSS file? Storage. Okay, here you can store. In my local system, March 26th. One. And while saving, you should save type as cascading style sheets. Okay, that means .css. So automatically it is added at the end, right, of the name. Save it. Okay, that's it. Now you stored CSS styles and you can see the colors also changing, right? So in external file, and next thing is what? And fetch that one. Okay, fetch step one is completed, guys. Store here, and next upload this one into the Salesforce static resource file. So go to static resource object. So this is a setup object again. Okay, I think I have showed you image, right? The same way here also. Go and fetch. Stop recording. Company lab.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so CSS styles folder. So this is file. This is the file which we have created just now, and the type is equal to CSS file. Open it and public and provide the name. Just provide any name. CSS1 sample. Save it. So the record name is what? Static resource is a standard object, but it is a setup object. And so this is the record name. And if you want to view the file, right, if you click on it, you can view the file. And the file size is 157 bytes. And you can see the code which you have created. And then the next step is, so you can retrieve it. Third step. So two steps are completed. Create, upload, fetch it. So to fetch it, we can get the syntax. Okay. So let's see how to fetch this one, right? So external CSS file into Ara component. Okay, you can type it. Salesforce has given, so let's fetch it. You need to type it like this only, guys. Google it, get it. So lightning require is the, so syntax, guys. Lightning require example, and that is the tag. So if you want to know the tag, right, so during the time of Ara components discussion, you can see this lightning require. Okay, so generally it will be here, component library. Salesforce has provided one website, there you can practice like W3 schools, right, they have provided this one. Even this also given by sorry, this also given by Salesforce. This is the documents which are given by Salesforce. Okay, and now, so here resource, what is this one? You need to know one thing. So in that tag lightning require, in that styles tag, you need to fetch some object details to here record. You need to fetch record, right? For that one, expression binding, you need to give this one flower brackets exclamatory mark, and after that one, so object API name dot record name. Okay, here, so here global object. So static resource is a global object. That means what, you should use a dollar, and API name for this one is resource. Okay, and what is the record name? So CSS sample one. Okay, and you should give the record name which is given the name only on static resource, not the original file name. You should not give the original file name. So this original file name is, sorry, this original file name is different, March 26th one. That should not give. Whatever name you have given on the static resource, that only you should give. That's it. Okay, so now let's go and remove it, all the stuff. That's it. And check, I removed all internal CSS styles. Now whether it is applied, yes, it is applied because of the external styles. Okay, so how I have added lightning require is the tag, and in the styles dollar, dollar means it is a global object, resource is a global object. So CSS sample one we have given record name, API name. So time being you can remember like this. Going forward you will see how to get all these object API names like that. So you say you can see object API names also you can get. Okay, set of objects will come on. I'm not sure. Okay, leave it. Okay, so generally how could I know whether it is a global variable or not? Simply, so global variables in Salesforce Lightning or in Visual Force page, even if you can type it. So you can see here global variables. Okay, Salesforce help, you can type it. What are the global variables? User is global variable. For global variable, one syntax is there, action, and see here so many API, S controllers, types, component. See, these are, you don't need all these things, guys. And VF pages, right? So resource, you can see here. So resource is a global variable. Global variable should be starts with dollar symbol. Okay, static resource. And this is a Visual Force space syntaxes. You don't need. Okay, so simply forget about all the unwanted stuff and just remember. So our CSS styles, you have added the internal CSS style, external CSS style, right, by using the file. So you can, now I want to update that file. How to update it? Is a single file, right? If you want to update it, what you can do is Control Shift O and search the name of the file. So what is the file name? So this is the one, right? You can search it like this. Okay, I think, yeah, we need to refresh it. Why it is not displaying? That's what I'm just. So let's refresh it. It should open, guys. You can even you can update the CSS style file here itself. Have you seen? So the page is not loaded. That's why it is not displayed. We will see this one. So before going to that one, let's. So like March 26th. Comp. So CSS. So this is the file which you have created, static resource file, and you can open that file. So with the name in developer console. Okay, now it is updated. I want to add a border. So let's add here itself. So how to add a border? So for main container, you need to check the proper class names, guys. So this is the class, right? Here itself I can add the border. Border block, 3 pixel, width black, style solid. That's it. Okay, so you can save it directly in the developer console, and you can see border is added. Okay, cool. So now this is what, right? Good. Next thing is what? External CSS style files can be overridden by internal, and internal can be overridden by inline. So it will be like this, guys. So you see here, external. So this basic structure you need to understand it. What is the meaning of that one? Suppose same I have created here, right? Let's go here, internal, go here, and let's go. I want to apply something like this. So let's see here. It is a main class, right? Now I want to change the background color. So let's see here. As of now, here background color is pink, right? I want to go with yellow. In internal style, this is what style file internal. Okay, let's go refresh, see the output whether it is yellow or pink. It is yellow. Why? So first external file will be loaded, right? Here I have given pink only. So if you see here, first external file will be loaded and the style will be applied. After that, again in internal, so where is this one? Internal file, right? So I have given this style. So this is the latest one. It always takes the latest one. Okay, and next it goes to inline, and there also So next, so that is the order of execution, guys. And if you can F12, even you can inspect everything, like inspect. Inspection is very, very important. Div, you can see the background color. Okay, have you seen for main container, this class is taken from external CSS. Okay, this class is taken from external CSS, and this is taken from internal CSS styles. Okay, so one is taken from external and another is taken from internal. So both the things you can see, guys. Okay, cool. So you can uncheck it and play a game. You can see here, uncheck it, normal white color. Or if you want to apply the styles, right, you can apply directly here. Black color. Okay, so whatever shape. So what element you have selected, for that element only you are adding the style. Remember this one. Suppose I want to add the style for paragraph. You can select the paragraph and here element style you can apply. Select the element, apply the style. So that's what you need to. Okay, right. Okay, have you seen font size 20 pixel? Okay, margin top 20 pixel. Okay, so like that. So the style is applied for paragraph. Suppose inside the div I want to apply style, expand the div and go whatever you want you can apply. See here which is highlighted, one by one is highlighting inside the div, and if I want to apply the styles, right, you can apply it. Okay, like that I have applied. So and next copy it for which is, so element you have updated the styles right here. So copy this one and paste it here, because if you refresh the page, right, whatever styles you have modified here, that will go away. Okay, so that is the reason. So now refresh it, just now whatever styles you have applied, all styles will gone away. See here, only for temporary checking purpose, that's it. Okay, so that's all about external styles, guys. Next, media queries. Let's finish the media queries. 1 second before that one, I want to 8 class. So from tomorrow onwards we will have classes regularly at 6:30, guys. Okay, even if it is a Saturday we have classes. నెట్ వస్తుంది ఇంకా పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా, సో ఫినిష్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం. So now let's go and work with media queries. Okay, what is this media queries? Why we need media queries? I'm just explaining everything, guys. Okay, okay, suppose I have opened the same application. We have implemented one application. That application is opened in mobile browsers. Remember, not as a mobile application, mobile browsers. If we want to open the same page, okay, in mobile or not mobile or tab, whatever it may be, okay, browsers. Okay, then if we need a separate styles, we need to use these queries. What is this media? Media means devices, different devices. Okay, different device, mobiles or tabs like that, or printers, all the things, different medias are there. Okay, for all the things if you want to add, so CSS styles, so what you need, so let's simple. Suppose I want to open this one in a mobile, inspect it. Okay, I want to open this one in a mobile. How? Let's F12. After that one, Have you seen left side here? Toggle devices. Okay, toggle device toolbar. Click on it. Okay, now I want to move this debug section to right side. How? So have you seen one more thing here? Three. So options are there, right? One is setting option, close, and three dots. So like this, click on it on three dots, and have you seen block? Block color is the right side. Black color is downside. So it is blue color is highlighted means so you are with this. Okay. So now if I want to move to right side, so click on this one. So the black color is right side means debug is a black color. So it moved to right side. Okay. So now this is what mobile. Which mobile? How could I know? In the top you can see iPhone 6. Okay, iPhone 6, 7 like that. And next, suppose I want to go with iPhone 5. So let's see here. This is iPhone 5, and as of now we're seeing with 50% only. And if you want to say 100%, you can see increase the percentages also like this. And see landscape and the largescape. What is that second one? Which is what landscape, and one more thing is the red. The name I forgot. You can just like that. You can so rotate your mobile also. It is for mobile, and so touch laptop. You can see if it is a touch laptop, and you can see here. And so you can see the what is these things. Okay, let me show you now. Open any mobile Moto Galaxy S5. Okay, or iPhone, open it simply. Looks good, right? That's what. So iPhone here, and what is the width of this one? So this one 320 here it is the width, and 560 is the pixels height. 320 width pixels and 568 height by default. Okay, these are the standard pixel size guys for any mobiles. Okay, for iPhone this is the standard pixel size, and for another mobile phone another so pixels width and height are there. So based on the height and width we need to divide all things which mobile is like that. Okay, so generally you can see mobile even 6 also 378. So width, height 6. Okay, width you can observe it. Even iPhone X also 375, and let's see Galaxy S5 also 360, Moto G4 also 360. Okay, it is a touch, it's not a mobile, it's a laptop with touch. So what do you understand from this one? Up to 375, up to 380 mobile, right? Up to 380 width, it is a mobile. Width from 0 to up to 380 pixel, it is mobile device. Okay, the device should be a mobile, it is a mobile device. Okay, and after that suppose let's open the tab or iPad. So 768 pixels iPad width is. Okay, generally iPad width 768 pixels. So it's like that. iPad Pro is there, it's 1024. Okay, now let's see here responsive, click on it. If you click on response, right, that means see here width is changing 33%. If you want to go with 50, not a problem. Response for testing purpose we can use. Okay, so generally devices are different kind guys. One is let's see mobile devices, all company mobile devices. Next is iPads, and the next is so lap with normal size. Okay, next is desktop large size. So generally we are categorizing because these devices are using by our sales reps in real time. Why? I mean, why we need to concentrate on all this? Suppose a sales team is there, they went for outside and they are tracking that so customers details. So their company generally their company can give iPads nowadays or mobiles or laptops or something, right? So to note it down all the sales teams details. So that means so we need to work with a different kind of designs for all these also to attract the pages. Okay, it is just example in Salesforce. but outside, so everyone can use all these devices, right? So that means based on that one we can so add a different styles. Now my intention is, let's see here, if I open a mobile, okay, if I open a mobile, I want to display background color. Just go with color, guys. I will explain only with colors. Okay, it is a mobile, and here I want to display background color. Like let's see here, for mobile I want to display background color red and color white, and iPads, so background color green and color white. Laptop background color pink and color red, blue. Desktop large yellow color background color red normal color. So first is background color, second is color. Okay, that's it. Now what is this meaning? Okay, so now our laptop is a normal size, so the color should be pink and the color, I mean background color is pink and the color is blue. That's what I need, right? Let's go here. I'm just going to use the internal styles, guys. So let's remove, no need to remove. 1 second. Now let's see background color and color what color I want. Background color this one. Okay, normal laptop color is white. Okay, cool, color white. And just I want to go with one example, that's it. That's it. Okay, for normal I have written like this. Next, let's open in the mobile, inspect. Okay, in that inspect, so you can see here also the color is not changed, background color I want. So particular color, what color for mobiles I want? Red and white. So I want red and white. Background color should be red, it should be red, but the pink is only displaying, so it is not correct way. How to do it, how to display it? So the thing is we need to display with the media queries. So let's write a media queries and write it. Okay, so you don't need external styles, in internal styles you can write it, not a problem. Okay, at the rate media. So let me get the syntax first. I'm showing how we are working in real time. Same way here also I'm working, even in training also, guys. You should adapt. Okay. This is right. At the rate only screen max device width. Okay. Max device width 600 pixels. So that's it. So media only screen max device width, so 370 for mobile. Okay, it is what for mobile. Mobile device styles. Okay, you can add like this. So this is what comments in CSS styles. Comments are like that. Okay, how to add backslash 2 stars and after that one close it. You should close it, otherwise so everything will be commented. Okay, you should close it like this. Okay, and inside what is this one? So let me first check the output, then we can see the remaining things. So here also dot this main container and close it. Okay, so now for mobiles, what color I want? Red and white, right? Background color red. Font size, all these things. If you want to reduce the font size, you can reduce it. At line 619 only screen. Syntax mistake. Okay, media only. We will get so many guys, don't worry. So many examples, syntaxes. I just hear something. Even if you go to W3 schools, so there also you can see media course. Oh, I need to use another things. That's the syntax mistake. Okay, media. So I have seen here and so added this style. So in real time also you need to add. Okay, fetch this one and add it like this. So now let's go here, refresh it. The color background should be red. For mobiles. Have you observed? For mobiles, background is red. Okay, and the color is white. And for normal, so laptop with touch, right? What is the color? Pink. Normal laptop pink. So you can see here it is a pink. And if you take so mobiles F12, press F12 and go to mobiles, any mobile, not only this one, Pixel 2XL 411. Okay, so here see here it is not applied with 411 width. Understand? And iPhones it is applied. And i6, why it is applied? Why it is not applied for again iPhone 6? So it is based on the device width. So the syntax is at the rate media only screen, because here media means printers also there. So let me show you media queries, original media query. CSS, right? Okay, learn CSS from here. CSS media queries. And I have seen the original here, media only, media type and expression. Actual syntax is this one, at the rate media and only and media type. So what are the media types available? So these are the media types available. screen available, printer is available, all is available, speech is available. Different medias are there. Okay, screen means computer screens, tabs, phones. Actually, our requirement is only this one. So that's why media only screen, static one, standard one. Okay, and after that one, go to W3 schools. What is the syntax? And expression. So and also I have added, and next expression. This is expression. What is this expression? So this expression tells you minimum maximum width, only that's it. So in W3 schools they used to give minimum width and maximum width like that. So but in Salesforce it will not work. You should give device width, min dash device dot width. So you should give like that. Okay, so if I have not given minimum, that means what? It takes as 0 pixels. If I have not given minimum means it takes as a 0 pixel only. Understand it. Okay. Maximum 370 I have given. If we give 375, then so what is this meaning? This meaning is 0 to 375 pixel. Okay. 0 to 375 pixel. This style will be applied. Okay, from 0 to 375 pixel up to this style only will be applied. That means whether the device width is so let's go and refresh it. How could I know the width of this any device? Simply you can see above here 375 pixel here. Okay, so now 320 pixel, and the range should be now 414 pixel. So that means what? The style is not applied. We have added this style only up to 375 pixel with the devices only, and more than that we are not applying that style. Understand? More to the 360 width, Galaxy 5 360 width. So that's called so media query here. Next thing is even inside you can write many styles, guys. Suppose I want to font. I want to increase the font. You can increase this font. And what you have given. So let's see, you need to understand. Actually outside if you have given, this will apply for normal all devices or normal devices. Inside of this one again you need to apply same thing, dot this and this kind of thing. Okay, so font size 35 pixel, and again suppose if I want to add for this paragraph I want to add some style, so you can apply it, dot this p class name, and it is a direct parent, yes, so you should not give space. Even for paragraph also color red I have given. Let's save it. So here two classes I have added. You can add as many as classes simply. Shit. Okay, now inspect, and you can see here font size also increased a bit. Okay, 35 pixel. If you click on it and you can see the font size. How could I see the font size? So let's go here. Okay, so have you seen this one, media only screen device width? So here font size is 36. So if you want you can increase this one also. Okay, that's what. Here you can play a game, so no problem, guys. Okay, so that's how you can play games, guys. Okay, here you can just color equal to green. Let's see here, color equal to green is highlighted, or color equal to blue you can give. Okay, So you can just play a game just like that. And even paragraph color also red. Have you seen the paragraph color is red? Yes. So like that you can work with the devices, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next thing is, so different devices we need to give, right? Now for mobile I have given, well, nice. What about iPad? iPad just a pink color only displaying. Okay, so I don't want pink color for iPads. I want so a different color, background color. So before going to that one for iPad, what is the standard here? 768. Okay, so now I need to increase the range, guys. So you should go down, and the way you are adding, see, I'm just adding outside. Okay, for iPads. iPad's range is simply mobile after, right? So 375, 375 to how much? 768. Okay, so now you need to write media only screen again. Okay, and so, and inside you can write styles here. Min device width, you need to mention it, min device width. So here how much? 375, right? So 376 or 400 you can give. And max also we need to mention, right? You need to mention inside the, so max device width. Okay, max device width. So how much max device width? So simply 768. Okay, min and max device width, just like. And next you need to write the style, right? Let's go and write the style. Again copy whatever you have, and background color should be green, and color should be white. I have added for iPads. This will apply. So any device where greater than 376 pixels up to 3768 pixels. So now refresh the page. So have you seen green color is there? Okay, green color for iPads, green color. Okay, and for mobiles you can check it now. Mobiles red color. Okay, for all mobiles it's a red color, and here so 411 width is there, that's why pixel 2, so green color is there. Okay, green color, why? Because the device width greater than 376 to 768, so then so we are applying that green color for all mobiles. Mobiles, that one, iPads green color, even iPad Pro. So now 1024 pixel. Now let's go to maximum device. How to see maximum device here? See here. You can see. So playing a game. Okay, this is mobile width. Observe width 136 pixels to up to 375. Red color will apply up to 375. Now after that one, green color iPads up to 768 iPads. Let's reduce to up to, and after that one pink, right? Now so large screens, see 1300 pixels are large screens, large desktops. For that we need to give which color? Yellow color background. Okay, so now how to give? Again you need to write media query. So you should write it same. apply different styles. Red, okay. And here minimum width, how much? Minimum like you can do 10, 28, something like that. 1078 or 1028 pixels something. Okay, that's it, minimum. After that, no max, unlimited maximum. Okay, now go and refresh it. So 1024 only. It's a standard. There is a standard. So these, widths are standard. Worldwide standard. So formats they have given guys standard. Values they have provided. So now you can see. So let's play a game with for mobile red up to 375 pixel. After that green iPads and again normal screens and again large screens. Okay, yellow color, red. Okay, did you observe? So this is that if you open this application or web page in mobile browsers, iPad browsers, not like Android applications, browsers on browsers. In mobile also we can have Google Chrome, all this, right? If you open that one in mobile browsers, so the output you can see like this. That's what the meaning of this. Okay, so this is what, and you can see standard. So media query, so like you can even search it also. Even he they also have given this one standard media widths. Okay, worldwide, so references, so they have given, don't worry, you can take it. Standard media query widths CSS, you can just google it. So page widths 320 like that standard. Responsive design tutorial, just google it. Responsive, actually responsive means automatically if you open the same application in mobile, automatically dynamically it will change. Same application if you open in another device, dynamically the styles will be applied. That's called responsive. Okay, a responsive standard widths are there, so you can see they have given standard widths like this. Just see here, iPads, desktops, mobiles, like that. You can just google it, get it, lot of things you can see identified in the market. Okay, so that's what the media queries in Salesforce, guys. And if you apply the styles, right, normal styles outside of the media that will be applied, so as a common for normal desktops. Okay, that's it about CSS. Tomorrow we will see SLDS. Okay, what is SLDS? That one again I'm saying, if you go to Salesforce training, no one can do CSS, HTML, nothing, they won't teach you. Directly they will apply whatever you want. Why I am teaching is these are very, very important. That's why I'm teaching. And so you should start working on the projects which I'm going to share with. I think I have already shared with you. Am I right? Am I shared? Yes. Playlist again I have shared. Okay. Practice only in ARA components, guys. Okay. Again I'm sharing, so you can practice only in ARA components at least. So you can start working from today onwards, and daily you can practice it. So until you get a job, right, you can practice it. If you want to do 10 projects, you can do, not a problem, but you can do only in ARA components, not outside. Okay, so that's all, guys. Chalo then, bye. Tomorrow we have a class at 6:30, so the net will be very good from tomorrow onwards, internet.